So I have spent the better part of this past year asking hundreds of people for their poop. Now, I'm sure for most of you in this room, your poop is something you'd like to remove from your site as soon as possible. But for a microbiologist, our poop contains a whole world of information, including some of the microbes from our gut, also known as our gut microbiome. Our gut microbiome is essential to our overall health, and it's also involved in many diseases, including inflammatory bowel disease, or IBD. IBD is a disease that's heavily associated with westernization, and often those living in a westernized country tend to harbor a very particular type of gut microbiome, one we think could be a common driver to IBD. Additionally, certain migrants that move to westernized countries can experience a significantly increased risk to developing IBD. A particular demographic of concern right now are young Indian immigrants and Indo-Canadians. So my research is aiming to understand why Indians are at this greater risk. But first, we need to know what their gut microbiome looks like. So we've been gathering poop samples from those living in India, Indian immigrants, Indo-Canadians, Euro-Canadians, and westernized immigrants, and we're going to use all these samples to then characterize bacteria, fungi, and parasites within their gut and compare it to the well-known westernized gut. By using the data obtained from my study, we'll then be able to identify clues for why they're at this greater risk for IBD. So far, when just comparing the gut microbiomes of those living in India versus Euro-Canadians, we have observed vast differences in their gut communities. And this has really made me rethink about the microbiome field as a whole. In fact, the science community is sounding an alarm on this issue right now, which is that majority of microbiome studies are done mainly in westernized cohorts, often with European descent. People are also concerned for how to have a healthy gut nowadays. Many brands in the health and wellness industry have created products that claim to fix your gut issues. One I'm sure you've all heard before are probiotics, which are bacteria that are seen as beneficial to the gut. But what these brands are failing to consider is the actual science behind these products are done mainly in westernized cohorts. In fact, the bacteria used in probiotics are not even commonly detected in a non-westernized gut. I've yet to see one of these brands addressing this issue, and until then, I encourage those of you not born in a westernized country to reconsider using these products, because westernizing your gut is not necessarily a good thing. So next time you're out shopping and you see some of these products on the shelf, I really want you all to ask yourselves, is this product really for me? Thank you.